Motor motherfuckers. Shit, I'm back with another one. I've been debating on which one to shoot. I got quite a few things to discuss, but I'm gonna make this one about my Trackhawk, 2018 Trackhawk. Just wanted to touch on a couple personal things that I dislike about the vehicle now that I've had it like 6 months. Put quite a bit of miles on it. I got 12,000 miles on it since February 1st. I commute pretty far every day, back and forth. But yeah, anyway, like, these are my personal opinions. You know, every time I shoot one of these videos, I always get a couple geniuses in the comments with the little slick stuff to say and all that stuff. This is Johnny's. This is my personal opinion. Not gospel, not saying you should buy the vehicle or not buy the vehicle based on what I say. It's not a review. I'm not reviewing it. Well, I guess I don't know. I'm just basically giving my opinion on the vehicle. 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. You know, there's some of the things I dislike about it. You know, and I put hate in the title. You know, but you know, I don't really hate. I don't hate the vehicle. If I hated it, I would have traded it and got rid of it or something. But that's not the case. Actually, I love it. Overall, I love the truck. But like, one of the things is, well, just, it might sound good, but this is one of the things that I dislike about it. Yeah, so I believe it sounds good on the startup. Remember what I said, that was a cold start. After 3-4 minutes of running, it quiets down like a lot. You know, it's kind of humble. I believe, not saying that that's wrong or is just bad, too bad anyway, but I believe that they should have put, like the GT Horse exhaust, how they got the little switch, you know, that's all it controls, the exhaust. Open them up, close them, like the cutouts, whatever you call it. Yeah, I know I can get aftermarket, but I'm just saying, like, this is something maybe that I believe for 100 grand, that should have been an option at least, you know. But I was gonna go with a aftermarket exhaust, maybe a, I don't know, or even a GT Horse, you know. But it's just like where I'm at, I'm like in a little box. Like, Buffalo is big, but we don't really have much of the car commodity shit, you know. I mean, if it is places out here that anybody know about, please let me know in the comments, you know, because I need work, you know. My buddy Mike and all of them, they do good work, and they got a lot of people that we can deal with to get work done. But anyway, moving on, you know. One of the other things I dislike, well, the second thing that I dislike about it is, like, the nondescriptness or the non-distinctiveness. Non-distinctive or nondescriptness. I don't know if either one of those is fucking words, but the truck looks just like a regular Jeep SRT. And don't get me wrong, and I'm not saying that in no bad way, you know, because I've owned 3 Jeep SRTs, now 3 of them. And actually, this truck looks exactly like it. There's no difference except for the motherfucking badges. It just say supercharged on the side. And, you know, SRT says SRT, whatever. And technically, the Trackhawk is an SRT. It's part of the SRT family. You know, for anybody that didn't know that, but I'm sure you guys did. But I just think, like, with this vehicle, Y'all hyped it up for years before you released it. This is the Trackhawk. Make this motherfucker badass. At least put the Hellcat hood on it. Why couldn't we get the Hellcat hood? Why we couldn't get some little fancy spoiler on the back, or at least an option for any of that shit, you know? What's the only difference is it's got yellow brakes. That's the only difference. This person in the fast lane going slow. Who the fuck over, lady? But yeah, that's the only difference in the vehicle is they got yellow brakes. You know, that's another thing too, as far as the appearance of the vehicle. I guess now you can, when you order the vehicle, you can pretty much pick the color of the brakes you want to put on. You can color your Brembos. You can option up to 6-piston or 4-piston or whatever, however the piston thing work with the brakes. You got an option of doing that now, you know, with ordering. And I believe that should have been an option like out the gate. And it's like now, like that I got the 18 model, I wish I would have waited a year, because I could have ordered the 19 and got a fucking doodle brown brakes if I wanted to, you know, whatever, you know. But that's neither here nor there. But that's the only really difference we really can tell from a regular SRT and the Trackhawk. And while I'm on that appearance shit, them little ugly ass fucking badges, you know, don't get me wrong, they would be dope if they were just for the Trackhawk. But no, you had those same fucking badges on the Trailhawk. And people would say, oh, you got the Trailhawk? No, motherfucker, this is a Trackhawk. Not a Trailhawk, a fucking Trackhawk. You know, a difference in a phenomenal amount of horsepower. You know, nice superchargers strapped on the top of this fucking block. But, you know, it's just some of the little shit, you know, that annoys me about the vehicle, you know. And another thing too, a fucking steering wheel. How you got this dope ass light up steering wheel in the Jeep SRTs and the Durango SRTs, and you know, the Hellcat, the night editions and shit like that, and you got this ugly ass fucking steering wheel in here, say fucking Jeep. This shit is trash. But you know, I'm going to order I'm going to get the SRT steering wheel, the backlight, the backlit one that lights up red. You know, only because I got the red guts in here. The red guts is red interior for anybody that didn't understand that. You know, I know a lot of you do, but yeah, the red guts. So I'm going to get the red SRT light up steering wheel. I mean, if they come out with a Trackhawk one or with the Trackhawk emblem or something, that'd be dope. Or even one that light up, that'd be super dope. And I seen a guy on Instagram who does the custom steering wheels. Man, I'd love to have one of them fucking things here. That shit'd be fucking sweet. But when I seen his post, I was supposed to, you know, write it down, but somebody ended up calling me and it fucked everything up. So I ended up fucking basically I didn't even get the guy's name or nothing on Instagram, and I didn't see the post anymore. I didn't see any more posts with it. But I know it's a guy that makes them, so I'm going to try to see if I can find it and see if I can reach out to the guy and see if he can custom make me a steering wheel. Shit for my Hellcat too. That'd be real sweet. Make a nice. It was a nice carbon fiber steering wheel. It was in like a smaller car, maybe a Supra or something. I don't know. Don't give me the line or whatever. Anyway, I'm just rambling the fuck on. Let me move on or whatever. But another one of the things, the drive mode knob. Yeah, I know people like, what the fuck is drive mode knob, whatever. It's the knob that you spin to put it in track mode, sport mode. You know, it's another option besides going off of the radio, hitting the performance page button or the SRT button to try to go to your drive modes. It's like a little wheel. It sits, you know, right here. I'll show you. But if you got little kids or a curious girlfriend or some shit that you steady driving, like, oh babe, what this doing? Turn a motherfucker. I mean, I've done it already, so I know it don't do nothing like right away. Don't harm nothing. At least I don't think it do anyway. But like, I would think you would put it up or put it somewhere different. Or should I mean, I would say just leave it out for that mode. You know, press a button for it the same way you did in the Hellcats. But what else? Did that or whatever. When I brought up the hood, the steering wheel. Yes, I mean, so far, you know, that's it. Actually, I get better gas mileage in this than I did in my SRT. In my SRT Jeep, I get better gas mileage in this thing. You know, and why that is, I don't know. Or maybe because my new job, I'm on a highway more than driving through city traffic. So I guess, and I've seen that. Like, I took this thing to, did I go to Atlanta in it? No, I went to Cincinnati, and I got up to 17 miles a gallon. And anybody with one of these things, you know that fucking shit is awesome to get that kind of gas mileage. You know, but like right now, I haven't seen it like that high since then. Like the high I've seen it like locally is 12.1 miles per gallon. And right now I'm at 10.4 miles per gallon. But which is still better than my my Jeep SRTs. I believe anyway. I wasn't sitting there watching it, but I just think that I don't see myself, or I don't see myself stopping at the gas pump as much. As my other one, that motherfucker wanted to stop at every goddamn station, every gas pump. This one, oh, we can ride a little bit. Yeah. What else? I gotta look around and see. Like, I built this car to spec, so and I put every option available, so I'm not complaining. I don't have no complaints about none of the options that I was able to get, just the options that I wasn't able to get. But, you know, the aftermarket circuit is heavy. It's just not a lot of Trackhawk stuff out yet, still. Shout out to B. Woody for that awesome fucking cold air intake. And it sounds amazing. And it looks pretty good, too. I'll run a clip of that, too, under the hood. I put American Brothers. I put an order into American Brothers for my billet stuff. My custom stuff to go up under the hood. I'm not really gonna go overkill like I did on my Hellcat. I put like a lot of stuff except for the strut tower or brace, the strut brace or whatever that thing is. But I want to get that for this. I like it. And right now I'm deciding whether I'm gonna send this thing out to get modded up or not. You know, cause me personally, I really don't give two fucks about a warranty. I mean, of course, yeah. I mean, now if something going on, yeah, I want to because it's still under warranty. So yeah, why not? But it's more so, you know, to go fast, you got to break the rules. So break the rules, you got to pay to play. So I'm still debating on whether I'm gonna mod it up. Let me know if y'all think I should mod this sucker up. Just, you know, pulley intake, or if something y'all thinking of something. And I'm always open to suggestions. I'm always trying new shit. Not saying I'm not gonna do that shit. Some of you are going to be, oh yeah, put 5 turbos on it and fuck out of here. Like, realistically, you know. And the funny thing is, too, I've been seeing a lot of guys, well, a lot of posts and stuff like that, putting these things through the same, like, you know, the pulleys and all that shit, like, for way cheaper than it was to do the Hellcats. To get a 9-second Hellcat, I've been seeing people build these a lot cheaper. You know, to get in the 9s. Well, I only seen like 2 or 3 of them going to the 9s, but you know, the one was on heavy nitrous, and then the pulleys and all that stuff, and then Hennessy had built, well, I guess Hennessy built a few of them, but I've seen like on their site where they had one going high 9s, which was awesome, because this thing is a fucking boat. It's a tank. And that's one of the downsides of one of these. But you know, this is what something that you want to do. Don't let nobody talk you out of doing it. If you can afford to do it, fucking do it. You only live once. You know, you don't want to die regretting some shit. Or you don't want to wake up dead and then you regret something that you didn't do. If that makes sense to you. It don't make sense to me, but it might make sense to you. So I'm just fucking around. Yeah, but I don't know. If anything else I forgot or something, I get back to it. And we post some more videos too. I've been slacking. I've been busy. Actually, it's been pretty good. It's been stressful, but you know, things been pretty good. So, all right. So in the meantime, in between time, everybody be safe. Get ready for this fall weather. Well, I don't know where everybody is from, but you know, I'm from New York, Buffalo, and it get cold as a motherfucker. It snows in July, damn it, shit. I feel like it anyway. But I don't know. Long story short, Johnny Mopar out.